Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to create a scrolling effect for the show cards. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate this artboard. We are going to do the scrolling effect only for the Nike. You can do for the others as well if you want. So the first thing we are going to do is to move this to the side. Not like this, but all of them together. So they are all grouped. Move all of them together like this. Then double click on the group to select this card and make it bigger. Make sure that you fit in the second guideline, which is this one. Fit inside the guidelines like this. And this one we are going to move it out, align it with this line. This one should be smaller. We're going to make it small like this. Okay, and bring down the opacity for it. Now we are going to duplicate this one again, make another copy for this artboard. And we are going to move everything together again until this card fits inside it. We're going to do the same thing, make this one bigger to fit these guidelines and move it to the side. Okay. And then this one, we are going to click on it, make it smaller and bring down the opacity for it. Make the opacity 0. Make sure that it fits inside the guidelines. Like we've made these guidelines only for this scrolling animation. Okay, let's bring the opacity down. Okay, now we have created this. It's time to prototype them or animate them. I will go to the prototype mode. Now select this card and connect it to this artboard, and we are going to use the drag trigger and auto animate. For this card we are going to connect it to this artboard, and we are going to use the same settings, drag trigger and auto animate. For this one we are going to connect it to the first artboard, and we are going to use the same triggers. Now if you play it, when you drag to the sides or to the left or right, you will have this animation. And like this, you will create the scroll animation. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. I will see you in the next lesson, and we will continue prototyping our app. See you there.